Hello, my dear friends. It's me, Yuri Tenman. You know me as an owner and creator of the channel Yuri Tenman Lego Minimalism. And do you know that the last my model, you will see it, it was this very nice Volvo. Volvo A25F. It's very nice model and everything is okay. But as sometimes it's happened, I have a very small mistake and I would like to fix it right now. You know that we use in this model 6 this kind of wheel. But I know that there are 10 wheels on a set. Lego Classic 10696. But unfortunately, I have mistaken, I have forgotten that we have just only 5 of these parts. This is 5 because to weigh for 10 wheels together. 2 for each of this, it will be just only 5 these parts. But in these cars, I use 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And this is very easy to fix. I think that anybody already found the way because it's too easy way. But I have a notice from one guy who asked me what should I do. Nothing, just use this one. This one gives you the chance to use the 6 wheel. And everything will be great. You need to use 5 of this and 1 this. And everything will be great. Thanks a lot and sorry for this mistake. Sometimes it's happened with me too, because I am a life man. Thanks. See you next time, and I'm absolutely sure that we will have a lot of nice model in the future. Good luck.